Petrol stations in Mogadishu are busy these days. Drivers are queuing up because of the low prices at the pumps. The price of petrol has fallen by 30% since the start of this year.
The price has changed. I used to pay $5 for 5 litres, but now I pay $3.50. That's very good news for us drivers, as it means we save money that we can use for other things. I hope the price of oil continues to fall.
The low prices have also been good news for petrol station owners like Abdihafid Ali, who says it's not just the sale of petrol that has gone up.
A year ago, when this station opened, a litre of petrol was $1.20. Now it's 70 cents. Our customer numbers have increased as the prices decreased. More drivers are having their cars washed here or have the oil changed. Sales of everything have gone up because drivers have more money to spend.
The energy industry in Somalia is not regulated, and for a long time people here have complained about high prices.
This is the first time that the price of petrol has fallen in more than 10 years. Because of the high price at the pump, drivers here could only dream of the day they would be able to fill their tanks. Now that's the possibility.
But commuters in Mogadishu say the good times haven't reached them.
I'm paying the same fare as I used to pay before the change in the petrol price. When you ask them why they're not changing the price, they will either say the price will change soon, or they will say it's not their vehicle and they're just employees.
But owners of public transport vehicles say there is a good reason why they have not reduced their bus fares.
Before, when the price of petrol was high, there were not many buses, but now there are too many buses, which means fewer commuters to take, so there is less profit, and that's why the price is the same.
As oil-producing countries feel the pinch of the drop in oil prices, here in Somalia, drivers for the most part are enjoying the benefits. Hamza Mohammed, Al Jazeera, Mogadishu.